Are wills and trusts part of estate planning? So yes, absolutely. Wills and trusts are generally the centerpiece of your estate plan. A will or a trust is some combination. If you have a trust, like we mentioned in the last question, you'll usually have a will for circumstances that can arise that you don't have all of your assets connected. Maybe you bought a property towards the end, you passed suddenly, you didn't get to add it to the trust, or there are assets that are outside of the trust for whatever reason. Maybe they had beneficiary designations, then those beneficiaries pass, and now they're in your estate. So there's usually, when you have a trust, there's usually a will called oral will. Still needing to go through probate, but only for those assets that are outside. Now, of course, if you could have a traditional will package that doesn't involve a trust, but you can also have wills that have testamentary trust built in. So the centerpiece of most estate plan are the will and the trust. And even if you don't have assets, you're starting out and you don't have assets, still a good idea to have at least a will, because the events that lead to your death or cause your death to arise may give way to assets. For example, if you die wrongfully in a car accident, there may be a claim, and those funds are going to be part of your estate. So you always want to, sit and think about how you want your estate to be distributed if something happened to you. So, yes, will and trust are definitely part of your estate plan, as well as your power of attorney, your healthcare directives, and your disability planning. So, wills and trusts are more of your death planning, and your POAs, healthcare, and financial are part of your incapacity planning.